This is the Copenhagen Atomics portable molten salt loop, a turnkey solution to get high-flow purified salt around your test article so you can turn molten salt questions into hard data. If you want fast, real-world results, this turnkey system puts high-flow molten salt in your lab without you having to build your own loop.
I'm Thomas. I'm building molten salt loops at Copenhagen Atomics. We're building molten salt loops because we needed a test platform to test various components for our reactor that don't really exist in the molten salt industry. For us, that ranges from testing the salts, pumps, valves, and materials to testing the software and sensors for the control system, all with the purpose of going into the reactor. We want to enable the whole industry around molten salt research and development to benefit from this platform. If you work with molten salt materials, components, or chemistry, the fastest path to confidence is to get repeatable, reliable data at the right temperature, at the right flow, at the right composition. That's exactly what our test platform is designed to deliver.
In short, it's a portable, fully integrated molten salt test platform with automated operation and cloud log data, designed to help you reduce risk and compress time to decision.
The molten salt loop is one of its kind, and Copenhagen Atomics is the only company in the world that delivers a fully integrated test platform for high-flow molten salts. At our site, we have been running these for a number of years now, with one loop to reach 2 years of continuous pumping. Most teams lose years trying to build a pumped molten salt loop. With this, you can start pumping days after delivery. Pumped circulation delivers stable high flow to your test components, so results actually predict performance. It's modular, which means that we have enabled a whole list of features which can be added to the loop depending on the need for your research without re-engineering the whole rig. Data is logged in the cloud and exportable to your analysis pipeline. Your audit trail is built in.
Key specs include operation up to 600 degrees Celsius, flow up to 300 liters per minute, a 70-liter salt load, selectable flow ranges, integrated salt tools, and comprehensive sensor coverage throughout the system. For current specs, scan the QR or visit our products page.
3 patterns as we see it. 1. Salt chemistry experiments, change composition and track it. 2. Expose materials to high-flow molten salt for compatibility and corrosion tests. 3. Impose temperature gradients across your specimen with our flow heater and heat exchanger.
External flow interface. Use the loop as a pumping station for your external test section. Ingot drop channel. Introduce solids into the salt mid-run. Online sample extractor. Pull molten samples on demand to track chemistry as it changes. Internal sample extractor. Autofill during operation, retrieve after cooldown. Inflow coupon holder. Expose multiple coupons directly in the pumped stream. Flow heater and air-cooled exchanger. Dial hot or cold deltas for thermal and transport studies. Custom heat-traced piping and valves. Extend the system to your layout and fixtures.
Add the sensors you need, like temperature, pressure, oxygen, humidity, level, and flow indicators. Everything is logged in the cloud and easily viewed and exported through our online platform. This is not a reactor. There's no criticality. It's a thermal test platform for high-flow molten salt. Perfect for chemistry, materials, components, thermal studies, not for neutron flux experiments.
Don't want to operate a loop or refit your facility? Use our testing services. Expose your components to high-flow molten salt at our site, run by our specialists. It's faster and less of an initial investment to get data before you invest in in-house capability.
You could build your own, but you'll spend years getting to your first usable dataset. With our turnkey molten salt flow system, you'll get defensible results in days, and you can scale with modules as your program grows. Across universities, national labs, and advanced energy companies, we see the same thing. Solid data makes faster decisions.
Get the datasheet and talk to an engineer at copenhagenatomics.com/products or email us at sales@copenhagenatomics.com.
Bring us your test scenario and we will bring the flow.